Ang sarap. Ewan ko ba, pero mas bet ko yung tinola na ganito. May sayote at saka ugot ng kamote. Perfect combination. Kung walang ugot ng kamote, ayan, malunggay. Yung ibayo ko talaga yung combination, kaya ito talagang pinaka the best para for me.
I want soup. I want soup. Soup.
Tinola. Ugot ng kamote at sayote.
Mama.